Yo, this is insane. Like a bird looking at itself in the mirror. I think nigga cannot believe himself. Like you see, looking at himself and all the movements he's doing. He's even checking behind him. What? Is there another bed there? Oh, what's going on? This guy's imitating everything I'm doing. This guy is imitating everything I'm doing. The guy cannot believe. He's even checking behind the butcher. Unless there's another bed on the other side. Now what's going on? I cannot see here. What's going on this side? Aye. Yo. Okay, this is a very rare moment. Very, very rare moment to find such things. He's even picking on the mirror. He's even picking on the mirror like, nigga, why are you doing everything I'm doing? So this really made my day. This is one of the best parts of my day. Nigga doesn't wanna believe what's going on. What's going on here? Why are you imitating the stuff that I'm doing? So that's it.